Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P9 Lite, and I'll show you how to change and customize the keyboard theme on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll all the way down to the advanced settings. Now just click here to the language and input, and here as can you see we just use the Google keyboard, so click here once and then tap on the theme. Now as can you see we're just using the regular default theme. Here we can change and we can select one from these available colors of the keyboard. And also we got here the one custom theme that I just created a couple of minutes ago here, or also you can create your own new theme to your keyboard, for example by clicking here from your device image. For example, we'll go with our device gallery, and here you can see if you, for example, download some wallpapers from the internet, you can select one from this wallpaper just to set the new device theme or keyboard theme. Sorry. So for example, we can go with this one. Now just click here on the right upper corner. Here you can use one from this section of this wallpaper. For example, we'll go with this one. Now just click here to next. Here we can change the brightness level of this wallpaper, and then just click here to done. And now if we'll go somewhere when we can enter the text, here you can see that we just successfully changed our keyboard theme. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.